Hey, we have a problem here. It is the total cost of manufacturing a set of golf clubs is given by the function c of x is equal to 800 minus 10x plus 0.2x squared, where x is the number of sets produced. How many sets should be manufactured to incur the minimum cost? So when we say something like minimum, we're starting to think about for a quadratic, the vertex. Now probably the first thing we want to do is we want to take this function, or the first thing I would do is take it and rewrite it. So there's nothing wrong with it, but it's in the form of CBA. And that can be a little bit confusing, especially if you have to do a lot of work with it. But I'm going to rearrange it and make it 0.20x squared minus 10x plus 800. Because if you're not paying attention, you'll identify the wrong A, B, and C. In that case, A is 0.2 or 0.20, B is negative 10, and C is 800, depending on what you're going to do here. But when we see minimum, we think vertex, and remember our vertex point that we're looking for, the x part is negative b over 2a. So we'll just drop those in. So we'll have negative 10 all over 2 times this 0.2. So that gives me 10 on top and 0.4 on the bottom. I could guess here, but let's just let the calculator do the work. That gives me 25. So 25 golf clubs would give us the minimum cost. Now, if we actually wanted to find that cost, that's not the question. But remember, if you wanted to find the actual cost, then you can plug the 25 in for x and figure that out. Okay, thank you.